Now then, welcome to another back in stock video. It's Simon here from Andover Norton. We're back in the warehouse again. I've been rummaging around in all the boxes and I found some great stuff that we've got back in stock for you. So let's take a look at what there is. Okay, first things first, we've got the wire pack, 18 colours, all for 8.75 amps. That's part number 132011 and that's £20.34, including VAT. Then we've just got these back in stock, 068052/LED, our headlamp unit for the 7-inch for 2 LED bulbs, main and pilot UK market, £83.94, including VAT. And also we've got 068053/LED. That's the headlamp unit, 7 inches, for the 2 LED bulbs, main and pilot non-UK markets. That's £95.94, including VAT. Part number 39951, the handlebar switch indicator for the 1971 to 1974 bikes, is £71.94. And part number 39949, the handlebar switch high and low beam, is also the same price, £71.94. And finally this week, the slide hammer, part number 064298, that's £17.94. And don't forget, whatever you can't get your hands on, if you go onto the website, you can set yourself up with your account so that you can get an email alert whenever that item comes back in stock, or you can just give us a call or send us an email on the technical email address. Until next time, safe riding, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.